Hey guys, what's going on? It's Shane, and today I'm here in Mount Dora showcasing a beautiful model home. This home is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms at 2,600 square feet. It's a 2-story home with a 2-car garage. If you'd like to see this home, give me a call, Shane at 407-765-1405, or you can email me at the address below. All right guys, let's get to the tour. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Like I said, if you want to check this home out or any of the other 5 floor plans in the community, don't hesitate, give me a call, Shane at 407-765-1405, or you can email me at the address below. Thanks for tuning in, take care, I'll see you on the next one.